How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And today I'm going to show you guys some of the best VPNs you can use if you're in China. So before we begin, if you're interested in any of these, you'll find all the links you need in the description down below. Now, let's get straight into it. Starting with ExpressVPN. Now, if you're looking for the best security overall, ExpressVPN is definitely going to deliver, because ExpressVPN, first of all, it's super easy to use. It has been audited multiple times, and if you want to look at the in-depth review, by the way, of each VPN, I'll also link all the reviews in the description below, just so that you guys kind of, get to know all about the VPNs. But briefly speaking, ExpressVPN has the most sophisticated network of servers, and when it comes to security, it really has proven itself with the no-log audits, with the independent audits, with just how reliable it is, and with the Andrei Karlov investigation, where the Turkish government actually seized a server in Turkey, and they were just not able to extract any information. So even with a high-profile case like this, the government authorities were not able to extract anything out of the ExpressVPN servers, even though the ExpressVPN servers were compromised. So either they had everything completely hidden under encryptions, or there was just no information whatsoever to show the authorities. So yeah, when it comes to security, there's nothing better than ExpressVPN, really. And you do have the classic kind of features here with the network lock, the kill switch, and split tunneling. So, and you have a handful of protocols, and that's really all you need with this VPN to get it moving. And, there's nothing else to kind of mess around with. You have lightweight UDP and OpenVPN UDP. These are the only two protocols that you're going to be using. For the most part, lightweight UDP will do the job just fine. Yeah, you have over 3,000 servers in 94 countries, which gives you which actually 94 countries will allow you to be able to unblock the most amount of streaming services. So for reference, in terms of Netflix, for example, it is able to unblock up to 18 libraries with Netflix. That'll be 10 libraries with Nord and up to 15 with Surfshark. Whereas ExpressVPN is able to unblock over 18 libraries, excuse me. So yeah, and you're able to secure up to 5 devices. Now, if you're looking for very solid security, but you don't really want to pay that much for ExpressVPN, roughly half the price, you'll be able to get really good features. You'll be able to secure one more device, 6 devices, per subscription with NordVPN. You do have a couple of protocols here, including NordLynx, which is the one you'll be using. It's a true WireGuard protocol. You do have a kill switch and an app kill switch, which will close selected apps when the internet connection drops, rather than terminating the entire connection. You do have split tunneling, custom DNS, and obfuscated servers, which you won't really need for the most part unless your other protocols are not working or you're not able to connect the servers. And do have specialty servers, including double VPN. So that's something that's very cool about NordVPN, is that you do have double the security. This will route your connection through 2 servers rather than just one, and it will give you double the security. So if you're in China and you're trying to kind of avoid censorship and avoid getting, let's say, I don't know, I guess spied on, or kind of prying eyes. You want to avoid the prying eyes of the government or the ISP. Using double VPN is definitely going to double your security, which is very good. And you do have Onion over VPN, which will give you access to the dark web without really using the Tor browser, so that's pretty useful. It has over 5,300 servers, so a huge network of servers, but with less regions at 59 regions as opposed to Express's 94 regions. Now, if you're looking for some, kind of happy medium, you'll have 65 regions, 65 countries here with over 3,200 servers with Surfshark. However, you'll be able to unblock an unlimited amount of servers, which is very impressive. Unlimited amount of devices, excuse me. with Surfshark. So now if you want to secure an unlimited amount of devices with NordVPN or ExpressVPN, you'll have to download or you have to install the VPN on your router, and that way anything that's connected to that router will be secured through the VPN server or whatever VPN server you pick through the application or the router application. Whereas with Surfshark, it'll just give you that ability without having to use a router. You can secure whatever device you want, no matter how many devices you have, which is really cool. You also have multi-hop, which is double VPN, very cool. Static IP, which is the same as dedicated IP. And with features, you do have an ad blocker, which you also have in NordVPN right here. Actually, it's called CyberSec. You also have whitelister, which is the split tunneling feature as well. And you do have a kill switch, of course, as well as a handful of protocols. And if you're living in a censorship-heavy country, such as China, of course, you'll be able to use the no borders mode. But for the most part, you won't really need no borders mode unless your regular servers aren't working. So you can just turn this on and in an attempt to bypass internet restrictions, such as the Great Firewall of China. So yeah, that'll be it really. These 3 VPNs are super, super reliable when it comes to anything that's VPN related, really, whether you're trying to access Netflix or give yourself extra anonymity or security or encrypt your data. Again, if you're looking for the top security, ExpressVPN will definitely deliver. It will not disappoint. And it is able to kind of keep up some of the highest speeds, no matter which server you're going for. If it's a close by server or a much farther server, it'll kind of maintain this very stable curve of consistent speeds. So yeah, you won't be seeing too many fluctuations with the speeds of ExpressVPN. You might be seeing that with NordVPN, but overall NordVPN is also a wonderful server, wonderful service if you're trying to pay a little bit less, maybe, you know, sacrifice a little bit on the consistency of accessing geo-restricted content with streaming services and such, but you're still getting a solid service here. You can unblock, you can secure an extra device, and you still get very solid security, especially with double VPN. You also get double VPN with Surfshark, and you'll be able to actually unblock more Netflix libraries here, and you'll be able to secure an unlimited amount of devices. You know, Surfshark is one of those that you should just want to get the job done with the most cost-effective VPN. This is definitely the one to go for, while sacrificing possibly a little bit of consistency when it comes to speed. So that'll be it for this video. Again, if you're interested in any of these, I do recommend checking out the reviews down below, and you'll have also a bunch of discounts and updated pricing links, which you can feel free to take advantage of in the description down below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.